Hi there, students. A clique, or as an adjective, cliquey. Okay, a clique is a small, exclusive group of individuals, often defined by lifestyle or social status or common interests. And a clique does not readily, easily let other people join the group. So I think school is a really good example of a place where you can see cliques. You have the sports clique, where all of the athletes, they sit together at lunch, they're together during break, they go out together after school. Then you have the science clique, the nerds, if you like, people who are interested in science and technology and computers. And again, they spend their time together. Okay, so these are different types of clique. And at school, if you're not a sportsman, or an athlete, it's almost impossible to become part of the sports clique. Okay, so a clique, a cabal, a coterie, a set of people, the jet set, the in crowd, if you like. Okay, so a group of friends or associates, they could be business associates or things like that, who all do more or less the same thing, and they keep outsiders out of the group. So, for example, this country is run by a clique of wealthy families. Yeah, a group. The golf club clique, who go to the golf club every weekend and they have parties together. So, cliquey as an adjective, forming groups which don't let outsiders join the group, to keep people out. In the country, you'll find in the countryside, there are two different cliques. You have the clique of the country folk who have always lived in the country and their families have lived in the country. And it's not really possible to join this clique until you've had several generations of your family living in a place. The other clique is the newcomers, the people who've come from the city to live in the country. And there you have a different clique. Notice as well, cliques can ban people if the clique considers that they have broken the rules. Yeah? If at school, if one of the sports clique makes friends with one of the nerds, then probably he will be, or she will be, banned or pushed out of the clique. Yeah, so a clique, it's almost like a club, but it's not an official club. It's a social group, a set, if you like, that associate and spend time together, and it's very difficult for other people to join. Okay, I think the origin of this word is from the French word clique, and I think this is probably very onomatopoeic. I think clique, to make a clicking noise. Okay, and next question, formality. I would probably give this word a 6 or a 7 in formality. I don't think it's a word you would use in an informal conversation in the pub. You might, but it sounds a little bit posh. I think a group, a set, the in crowd, the sports crowd, the golf club crowd, the rich. do use this word in something semi-formal and very formal. I think it's also a good word for an essay. Clique and cliquey, cliquey forming very exclusive groups. Okay, so maybe Mr. Johnson, Mr. Boris Johnson and his clique, his in crowd. So there you go. Notice as well, if you use the word clique, it's negative. You are criticizing. Clique is not a positive word. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Maybe you're part of the I Swear English clique.